stand with your feet hip distance apart. For lymphatic awakening, bring your right arm out in front of you with your left hand cupped and gently start tapping down the inside of the arm, down onto your palm. Turn the arm over and gently work yourself all the way up the outer arm, coming across the upper body, down the opposite arm, up the inner arm, gently across the upper body, coming down onto your sides, gently onto your low back. Have a little bend in the knees, work down the backs of the thighs, the upper thighs. Just gently tapping into the leg muscles. Taking care of the knees, so tap into the backs of the calves, brushing down the shins, brushing down the feet, and gently bring yourself all the way up to standing. Gentle sun salutations. So come and stand at the front edge of your mat. Inhale, lengthen up your arms and come into a forward fold on your exhale. Step the left foot back, bring the left knee onto the mat. Right foot back into a tabletop position. Exhaling, come into extended child. If you need to pad under your knees, get a little blanket here. Coming through onto your tummy and onto an up dog. Come back to tabletop, tuck toes under, down dog. Knees down, tuck the toes under, step the left foot forward, right foot forward, and gently uncurl all the way back up to standing. Big stretch here, exhaling hands to heart. Inhale, lengthen the arms up, exhaling forward fold. Step back with the right foot, right knee on the mat. Left knee back into tabletop. Send the hips back towards the heels. Coming through onto your tummy, pushing up into a little up dog or a low cobra. Come into tabletop, tuck the toes under, down dog. Lower the knees. Tuck the toes under, step the right foot forward, left foot forward, slowly uncurling, extending up through the arms, hands in front of your chest. Inhaling, arms up, exhaling, forward fold. Step the left foot back, left knee on the mat, right foot back, so that we're in tabletop. Send the hips back, coming through into up dog or a little cobra where we have the elbows bent. Come to tabletop and push back to down dog, sending your hips back. Lower the knees. Step the left foot forward. Bring the right foot forward to forward fold and gently uncurling. Extend through the arms, exhaling, hands back to the chest. Inhale, the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Step the right foot back, right knee on the mat, left knee on the mat to tabletop. Send the hips back, coming through onto your tummy, into up dog. Back to tabletop and tuck the toes under to down dog. Lower the knees, step the right foot forward, left foot forward into a forward fold. Uncurling all the way up, hands to your heart. Breathe here and just notice the difference in your body from your sun salutations. Standing tall in your mountain with active hands and active feet. We'll up level now with the plank variation, so inhale, bring the arms up, exhale, forward fold. Bring the left foot back, right foot back into plank. Knees down, extend the child, bring the hips back. Bring yourself through onto your tummy into an up dog. Tuck the toes under, down dog. Step the left foot forward. right foot forward. Inhale and bring yourself all the way back up. If plank is too much for you, just you stick to the tabletop variation. Inhale, extend up with the arms, exhaling, forward fold. Step the right foot back, left foot back into plank, or tabletop if you're doing that variation. Knees down, send the hips towards the heels. Bring yourself forward onto your tummy for up dog. Tuck toes under, down dog. Step the right foot through, the left knee is off the mat. Left foot through for forward fold. Extending all the way up, hands to the chest. Inhale, extend your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Step the left foot back. Right foot back for plank. Knees down. Send the hips towards the heels. Bring yourself through into up dog or a low cobra with the elbows bent. Down dog. Send the hips back. Step the left foot forward. Right foot forward. Uncurling, bring yourself all the way up to standing, extending the arms up. Exhale and hands to the heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Step the right foot back. Left foot back for plank. Knees down. Send the hips back. Coming through onto your tummy for up dog or cobra. Tuck the toes under, down dog. Right foot forward. Left foot forward. Uncurling all the way up, extend through the arms. Exhale and hands to the chest. Stand in your mountain pose. You can have your hands at the sides of your body or place one hand on your heart, one hand on your tummy and connect with your breath. Feel the breath change, feel your heart beating from your sun salutations. Come down onto the floor. Step the feet back. Coming into extended child. So you can have your knees together, feet together, or feet together with the knees apart. Send your hips towards your heels, hands are shoulder distance apart in front of you, and push up into down dog. Wrapping your shoulders here to keep your upper back muscles engaged. Lower the knees down, come to extended child. Your hips may not touch your heels, but just visualise this in your head. It helps to open up the low back muscles. Hands shoulder distance apart and push up into down dog. Visualise your heels touching your mat, and again this might not be possible, but just visualise it in your head. Think of lengthening up through your back, sending your tailbone towards the ceiling. Bend at the knees and bring yourself down to extended child. Pushing up into down dog. Keeping the upper back muscles engaged, wrapping your shoulders and relax your neck. Lowering the knees gently down, come to extended child. Push up into down dog. Stay here, or if it feels comfortable, inhale, raise the left leg. Keep the toes on the mat or extend the leg up as far as is comfortable for you. Keep the fingers spreading. Take a big inhale, bend at the knee, and exhale, turn the upper body to look underneath the left armpit. Keep the right leg engaged, keep the shoulders engaged. Bring the leg back to centre and exhale, lower the leg all the way down. Returning to down dog, lower the knees, send the hips back into extended child. Give your fingers a little stretch here. If your wrists are starting to feel achy, you can make little circles with your hands.